A lot of urban groups run through these same communities week after week after week. We become more engaged with the community as we're passing through the community. This is a great opportunity to actually give something to the community as we're passing through the community. We are stronger together. We must fight against injustice. We must fight against gun violence. We must stand up for our community.
The social injustice that's going on right now in this country, we're here, we're protesting in the way that we know how, which is running.
What's his name?
This system of racism and white supremacy has taught us all to hoard resources and be afraid and think that there's not an abundance out there pinning us against one another. The power truly is in the people when we can come together. So that's the symbolism of stronger together. Run to protest, bringing awareness so the people know they're not alone. We're in this together. We're supporting one another. And together, we're gonna tear down the system of racism. We're over here for the people, by the people. We all the leaders we've been waiting for. So we out here getting active. Running is a radical act because of all the health disparities that have been attacking our communities. So when we come out and run to protest, it's to help our spirit with endurance, because this is a movement, not a moment. And we're gonna continue doing this.
What's her name? What's his name? George Floyd. We are running in the Bronx. We're gonna stop in the community, have some words within the community so people can hear what we're talking about and possibly get engaged in what we're doing, because we're trying to lift up our community the best way we know how, and that's together. Community connecting with one another so we can build dialogue.
As the rent start picking up and bills start piling up, and as the refrigerators start getting empty, we are getting into survival mode. A little bit about my story. I was homeless when I was 5, 6 years old. At 14, 15 years old, I became a part of the gang culture. And at 16, 17 years old, I experienced our jail system. After coming home, I came back to the same system because I had to check a box because I had a felony.
So we're here in Poe Park in the Bronx, organizing under the umbrella of a running community, but we're here to highlight different grassroots organizations that are doing great work.
The same racism, bias, and injustice that killed George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Ahmaud Arbery, Elijah McClain, and so many other individuals is the same that we see every day in the courthouses. As Bronx Defenders, we stand alongside our clients. So if you or a loved one or a friend have any type of criminal, family ACS, immigration, or housing issue, we want you to reach out to us through our emergency hotline.
Let's go! No justice!
No peace!
No justice!
No peace! No racist!
No peace! A lot of urban groups run through these same communities week after week after week. We become more engaged with the community as we're passing through the community. This is a great opportunity to actually give something to the community as we're passing through the community. So we are here on Kings Bridge and Fordham Road, as you can see, and we are here with Guns Down, Life Up, an organization that is doing boots on the ground efforts to stop gun violence in our community.
My son was shot in the head in Patterson Projects, 16 years old. It's not about the color, because we all as one, honestly. It's not about black or white, we all as one. Guns down! Life up! Guns down! Life up! Guns down! Life up! Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter!
We got voices. And through running and coming together, dialogue is being heard. And that can move a mountain, in my opinion.